Eggs are beautiful. I love eggs. And let's face it, you always have them in the fridge. Usually Saturdays or Sunday mornings are about omelette, but do we know how to make it? First off, I know you love non-stick pans, but we in the professional kitchens, we're in love with cast iron pans. If you know how to use them, they will last for a lifetime. Nothing will stick to them, and we'll see it today. Just make sure your pan is really clean and really dry. Heat it below medium heat. Then add just a drop of vegetable oil and keep it running on the surface of your pan. Not too much oil, but be sure all your pan is coated in it. Give your oil a bit of time to heat up because you need to hear the sound of the egg touching the bottom of your pan. If you want to test a cook or a chef in a restaurant, just ask for a 2 eggs omelette. By the way he makes it, you will know if he was properly trained. 2 eggs, no more than that. In a small bowl. While your oil is heating, just give them a beat with a fork. You need the yolk and your white to mix really well. Make sure your pan is hot enough and your oil is ready. Wait for the egg to make a little crust underneath. You can now add some herbs, a bit of cheese, or any other ingredient you want in your omelette. Tip the pan, find your way around the omelette, and lift the lip of it. After that, gravity will do all your job. You start rolling it under its own weight. Look at this, it's gorgeous. The rest of the remaining raw egg will cook in the few seconds at the end after you finish rolling it. And this, my friends, is a great French rolled omelette with herbs. What else can you wish for? Just make a salad, toast some bread, cut a few tomatoes, and this is gorgeous omelette in the morning made at home.